Okay, welcome back, students. Last time we have discussed about the first equation of motion. Now today we will discuss about the second equation of motion. Then the second equation of motion goes like this: b square is equal to u square plus 2s, where the s denotes the distance travel. Then the first equation of motion, we know b is equal to u plus at. Then v minus u is equal to at. Then bring this a down, then it becomes t is equal to b minus u by a. Then it becomes the first equation. And average velocity, then if the distance changes with respect to time, then it is said to be velocity. And here simply average is added, then average velocity is denoted by av. And cross multiply average velocity into time taken, then average velocity into time taken is equal to s, where the distance is equal to average velocity into time taken. Then this equation becomes equation 2. Now average, do you know the average? I think we have learned average in the previous classes. Then when you find the average, you will add the sum, you will add the number of you will add the items, then divided by the total number of items. Then average velocity becomes av. Then there are two velocities, one is initial and another is final. Then initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. Then substituting equation 3 in equation 2, and substituting equation 1 in equation 2, then the equation becomes s equals to b plus u by 2 times b minus u by a. Then this b plus u and b minus u becomes the formula of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b minus a minus b. Then s equals to u square minus b square by 2a. Similar like this. Okay, then next, when you cross multiply 2a into s, it becomes 2as. 2as is equal to b square minus u square. Then the minus u square becomes plus u square when you take this u square in left hand side. Then 2as plus u square is equal to v square. Then v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Then this b square is equal to u square plus 2as is the second equation of motion, where b denotes the final velocity, u denotes the initial velocity, and a denotes the acceleration, and lastly the s denotes the distance. Okay, thank you, student.